What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Richie back at it again with another video. I want to thank every one of you guys right now for watching the channel. And if you're new to this channel, you don't know who the hell I am. My name goes by Richie I am a car enthusiast and I love this Honda Civic. It is the best. I came from muscle car to Honda JDM. So I'm enjoying this ride and I hope you guys enjoy the journey that I'm going through. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you go watch my older videos. That way you can see the progress that I did with this car and you can really find out the true understanding about this car and why it's so sentimental for me. And yeah, this video, I'm on my way to EOS. Basically, that's the people that you seen back then a couple videos ago where I bought my Type R wing from. The homies, I've been working with them like a little business venture. So basically I help sell auto parts. So if you got a Mustang, or if you got a muscle car, or you got a JDM car, no matter what car you have, if you need aftermarket parts, hit your boy up. And yeah, just hit me in my DM on my Instagram or just send me an email. I have all that information on this video and down below in the description. But right now I'm on my way to their office before I go to work at Tesla at 1:30. I'm gonna stop over there because I should be there around like 12:10, 12:15. I am picking up some extra little mods for my car. I am super excited about this. It's about to be epic, and I get I'm getting the visors for the side of my windows. So it's just super exciting because I brought a lot of customers into them, and a lot of you guys have bought parts from me. So I do truly appreciate you guys for ordering with me and trusting me to give you guys the sales. So thank you guys so much for watching this. So right now I'm on my way to Fremont to go to the warehouse and to go pick up the parts, and I'm gonna show you guys how we go from there. And yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Leave a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. We are growing, we are growing, we are growing, man. 1K, man, it's a beautiful thing. And this Saturday in Brentwood, California, be at Buffalo Wild Wings at 10:30. If you kind of close to, in the Bay Area, or you're in the Bay Area or whatever, come through, show you boys some love. We are celebrating the 1K party. It's gonna be at Buffalo Wild Wings. It's gonna be me. It's gonna be a lot of my car homies. It's gonna damn near be a car meet outside. But anyways, just make sure you guys come through. I appreciate all my subscribers. So if you come through, make sure you come through. Also, one more thing that I do want to mention. If you can do this big favor for me, you can send it to my email, or you can send it to me on Instagram or Snapchat, whatever way you want to do it. I am posting appreciation, supporter appreciation on my page. So basically, you make a video outside your car, just film your car. You don't gotta film yourself, and talk on the camera for like 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and just explain why you like my channel and or whatever, or what do you like about me on my channel. So you know, and I want to post that on my page, on my Instagram page, and I'm also gonna be doing a big compilation thing type of thing for the YouTube channel, so I can show all you guys that's been supporting me and just showing love. And I want to give back to you guys. So I want to give you guys a platform to show y'all awesome cars as well. So thank you guys so much. Let's go to Fremont and let's go get the parts and let's see what we're gonna pick up. Let's go. All right, so now we just about to be pulling up to the warehouse. I'm super excited. Let's see what I get, y'all. All right, we made it to the warehouse, to the EOS. Best company for aftermarket parts. If you need to buy parts, let me know. Oh my gosh, see how it looks right now. Oh yeah, the flash is looking good, y'all. The car is dirty because where I commute from is dirty. There's a lot of bugs on the highway. But yeah. Yeah. It came out good. The funny thing is, basically, so I got the window visors. I'm going to put it on the car once I get to Tesla at my job, and I'm going to put them on the side. Yeah, see how it is, man. Flash is coming out great, and I like this Type R badge. Super dope. But yeah, got the window visors. So I just left the homie Calvin. Got my side window visors. I'm super excited. I'm about to install it and show you guys how it looks. and I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do if you haven't done it yet. And yeah, so it's gonna be fucking epic, and the fucking car's coming out nice. Just little more things just added to the car. Some just coming like, let me get some visors. Let me see what we got. And yeah, they got the visors available, and I got the brand new one, so I'm super excited about that. And it's gonna look super dope on the car, and it's coming along great, man. The flash is like awesome, man. It's coming out so fucking beautiful. This car is so beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys the inside again, but yeah. So if you see, I got the yellow over there, you know, the red all around, and then the red on the door. So I decided to just keep yellow here and red here. I actually like it like this, but yeah, I got more stuff I'm about to do inside. I'll let you guys know exactly what I'd be doing when I get some more free time to do so. But we on our way to Tesla right now to install this and call it a video. Let's see, I just got to Tesla, to my job. Let's do this. So first thing first. All right. So I'm gonna start on the driver's side. So my windows is dirty, like from driving. So I'm gonna just spray this window cleaner and just spray it on here. I'm just gonna wipe. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just wiping the windows, because the main part is the part above the window, but you know, just want to still wipe everything off, trying to get as much dirt off as possible. So I'm trying to do this before going to work. So got it. Just trying to get as much of this dirt off possible. Then I'm gonna do one side at a time. Now it's time to get this. I'll do the front window first. So now I got the front one. So basically it comes with the cohesive under where the red lines are. So basically the best way to do it, like I was told, is make sure when you're lining it up, make sure you line it all the way. Let me see. Make sure you line it all the way to the top, so that when you raise the window down, it won't hit the thing. So I'm gonna go do that and show you guys how it looks afterwards. So the front one came out actually good. It's kind of bright. I can't really see on my phone, but see how that looks. Looks awesome. So now I'm gonna do the next side, and then after I do it all around, and I'll show you guys the aftermath. But it looks fucking awesome already. So let me do the back one. So I finished everything. Look at this badge. The front is dirty. Bugs been coming on it, but I finally did it. You can see the side of the windows. These are fucking nice. So I got the window visors. It fits perfectly. Super sick. It makes the car look way more doper. So if you guys are interested in buying these, let me know. Hit me up, my email, or hit me up on Instagram. And yeah, get you some.